Good afternoon, guys. David Hoffman here from Davidsbeenhere, coming at you from beautiful Yazd, Iran, with my boy, Mr. Taster. Today we're going to be seeing how Falooda is made, the most famous Falooda in Yazd.
Yeah, actually we got three kind of Faloodeh in Iran. We've got Faloodeh Shirazi, Faloodeh Kermani, and Faloodeh Yazdi. And today we are here in Yazd. We're going to try the best Faloodeh Yazdi in Yazd.
And if you guys don't know what Falooda is, it's basically like noodles, starch noodles with ice. Sometimes they add sugar, they add rose. I'm excited. I can't wait.
I'm excited too. This is Hushang. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go inside. What are we doing?
This is the Faloodeh.
Right there?
The Yazdi.
Oh my gosh. So Falooda is noodles, right?
Yeah, noodles, yeah.
Okay.
And we got Faloodeh Kermani, we got Faloodeh Shirazi, and we got Faloodeh Yazdi. We are in Yazd, so this is Yazdi. For Shirazi, it's longer. The noodle is longer and also frozen. So when you have it, it's like, but this one is like so soft.
I've had Falooda in India and in Pakistan, but this is different. This is not the same thing.
You're gonna love it. It's delivery.
Oh, it's delivery? It's for a customer.
Take away.
Well, that's rose water? Oh, it's gonna be good. So this is the Faloodeh Factory. Small, little restaurant, local restaurant. There's 5 tables here. There's a huge ice machine. The guy has the Falooda in the back right here, so all the noodles, right? And as you can see right here, they have these ice bowls. So these ice bowls are to either throw away the ice that you got, because they always give you a big block of ice. You could throw it in here, or to add more ice. They'll give you ice and then you add it into your bowl.
That's right.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. We're going down to see how they make the noodles. Oh wow. It's all starch, huh?
Starch, yeah.
So is this wheat starch? Or?
Wheat starch.
Yeah, wheat starch.
So it's starch and water, then mixing it together, and once it's done, it's going to hot water. And the next step is that. So in 1 hour time, they put the starch in there, and it's going to come out from here.
And they put it in ice so it gets hard again, and take it upstairs, and then it's ready. Okay, let's go try it. Okay, you know what? We might see how they cut the noodles later, but right now we're gonna try it. Because they're the factory, people come to buy from them and then sell it in their stores.
Yeah.
That's amazing. So they're selling this one. I don't even know how many kilos that was, but they took it out, they put it in this big plastic.
11 kilo.
11 kilo?
Yeah.
So they put it in a plastic bucket, they put it on the scale. 11 kilos later, they sell it. That's it. This is amazing. So it's sugar and water, some ice, now you get some rose water, and now we'll get the Falooda. More rose. All right, man, it's Falooda time.
Yeah, Faloodeh time. Faloodeh Yazdi. And to make it more delicious, just put some on the ice.
Okay.
Just to make it more colder and
Like freeze it.
yeah.
Oh, the rose.
You're gonna get mad after that.
I'm gonna get mad. Oh, the rose.
خوش بکشید.
Hoş bakaşit.
Wow.
Oh man, it's so cold. Oh, it's like silky.
It's good.
So refreshing, especially in this heat right now. I understand why in this part of the world you guys love this. In the heat,
Yeah.
you have to have a cold dessert. And they're not really into like sweets like ice cream and stuff. This is different.
Yeah.
It's starch, it's noodles. Oh, the rose though, the rose. Oh, that hits the spot. Are you ready to pass out?
Let's go and sleep.
Look at those big blocks of ice. So they sell the ice to vendors, huh? Woo! I didn't even see the ice storage here. All right, the starch is almost ready to become noodles. Let's go downstairs. This right here is to send up all the noodles straight up without them having to carry it through the stairs. Here we go. Whoa, it's incredible. So what happens here is that once the starch is ready, they throw it into this machine. It comes out in super, super thin noodle form, and then it goes into cold water, and the cold water, it hardens.
Yeah, because it's hot and it's cold water, so it makes
the shock.
it shake. Yeah, the shock.
So once a section is done, they move it complete to the other side, and you can see it's like a mountain of noodles in here. I feel like I want to grab a little bit. No. Will he let me? Ooh, it's ice. Bland. We need the rose. We need rose water. In the boca, Mr. Taster.
You need rose water.
Yeah, you need rose water.
That's what you said. Give me the rest of the taste.
It's really bland. More? What, like here? I'm gonna get a little piece. Yeah. Okay. No. I don't want it. That wasn't good. Not like this. Get in the bowl with rose water and sugar. Merci. Thank you. Merci. They're not listening to me. They're with the taster. Watch your head. All right, I'm done. Oh, merci. This delicious bowl of Falooda costs only 30 cents. I highly recommend coming here. This was amazing. My man, hey, merci. Merci to you and your family. Merci. Let's go. All right, it's 6 p.m. I'm tired. Let's go to the hotel. Your taster's falling asleep. So what hotel are we going to?
We're going to Moshirul Mamalik Hotel. It's a really nice hotel in Yazd, one of the best.
So Yazd is a small city. Every building is like 1 or 2 stories. You have mosque, you have the Grand Bazaar, very similar to how most of the major cities are, with those 2 elements always, right? And then over here we have mountains, right?
Yeah, local mountains surrounding this whole city. On the other side, we have one of the greatest desert of the world, Dasht Lut, with the highest temperature of the world.
Oh yeah, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Salam. So what do we have here?
Yeah, tooth.
Berry, watermelon.
Oh, it's so refreshing. Amazing. I love this welcome drink. Oh, and they have a massage center. Look at this.
Yeah, exactly.
That's amazing. Wow, love the architecture.
Yeah.
They have like a whole garden here. Look at this. They have macaws.
And look at that. این گلا مال شماست.
They're hungry, huh? Beautiful birds.
Faloodeh for you.
As soon as we made it through the reception, we got here to the garden. To the right, we have the restaurant, we have some macaws, and then over here we have this beautiful garden with trees, very lush. Over here to the left, these are all the rooms, right?
Yeah.
Those are all rooms?
Very luxurious, deluxe luxurious.
So during the trip, we've been staying at a lot of beautiful hotels. Most of them we get there at night and leave earlier in the morning, so we never really have time to experience them correctly. This one, we have a little more time. We're not filming tonight. We're gonna relax, put the camera down, and just chill here. And here's our room. So mine's 410, his is 411, his is 413.
Look at my room.
Let me see.
You're jealous. Romantic.
You have the little swans there? It's beautiful. And what do you got here? Some more sweets? No more sweets,
No
man.
more sweets.
No more sweets. So I have a little relaxing area in the beginning. Nice. You could just hang out here, extend. Oh, this is nice. Oh, super nice. Well, I got a massive room, huge. Have a queen size bed, have a TV, have some sweets, have some fruits. Look at this bathroom. Oh, very nice. And a relaxing area. Let's go see what Mr. Taster is. Hey, Hamid. Where are you?
Hi, how are you?
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Tired?
How are you?
Good, man. That Falooda filled me up.
Yeah. I'm full too. They asked us about the dinner. I said, look, we can't.
No more dinner. No dinner. Well, that's it, guys.
Yeah.
We did the Falooda.
Yeah.
And we came here. But the Falooda process was amazing.
Amazing.
You've ever seen that before?
No.
First time?
Yeah, first time. I had it here, but I never saw the process. And that's it. Hope you liked it.
Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, thumbs up, comment below, subscribe to him, me, and thank you to Kutuk Travel.
Yeah, Kutuk Travel. They did amazing job in this trip so far. Yeah?
Yeah.
You happy?
And I love this hotel.
And I love your room.
So we
got better room, to be honest.
No.
No, it's always better room for our guests in Iran.
Thank you so much. Thank
you. And follow me on YouTube. You can find the link here. Let's go to sleep.
We need rest. We haven't slept in like 6 days.